the inside of our door handle here, there's a little panel. On the top of that panel, there's a tiny little notch. We're going to use our pick. We're just going to get our pick in there and pop that panel off. Set that aside. There are 2 Phillips head screws here. Use our screwdriver. Go ahead and remove those 2 screws. I'm going to go ahead and grab the handle and pull this out. On the left-hand side, there's going to be the actuator rod with a plastic clip. We're going to use our needle nose pliers, and we're just going to remove that clip. I'm going to pinch it and pop that back like that. And off of the rod. Use your needle nose pliers, pull the rod up. On the other side, we have the switch. You can use our pick or you can use your finger. I'm going to press down on this tab right here. Pop that off. Use a Phillips head screwdriver. I'm going to remove the 2 screws holding the switch in place. Place your switch down into place. Go ahead and get your screw started here. And I'm just going to go ahead and put these screws in and snug both of them down. And take your door handle, take the rod, put that down inside the handle. I'm going to use a pair of needle nose pliers to go ahead and install the clip. Pop that into place. Put that in place. Take your electrical connector for your power door lock switch, line that up. Snap that into place. When I install the back side of the handle, there's a tab right here. Put that in. Work our door handle into place here. Line up the handle. Gonna get this screw started, get the other screw started, and then we'll snug them both down. And take your cover here. There's 2 little buttons on the bottom and 1 on the top. Install the bottom first, and then just press on the top. Now you want to go ahead and grab your cover here. Peel it off and you're all set.